When it comes to websites, all websites are not created equal. Stay tuned. We'll talk about the differences and what makes an effective website.
Breakthrough to your business success.
Hey everybody, Gary Wagnon here, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo. I've been creating websites now for 21 years. So I'm a dinosaur in this industry, but I've grown through the whole process of building websites for 14.4 and 28K modems when you had to be careful about putting a waving cactus on the front of it because it took too much time to load. Or we had to be very careful with the photos we used because of the load time, and we didn't want people getting impatient and leaving. So I've grown through that whole process. I've grown and watched the evolution of Google, and I've watched the evolution of Facebook and blogs and all of the things that we've come to see. And I've seen in the last several years the emergence of the do-it-yourself website, and they look so easy. The Wixes and the Weebly's and the Squarespaces and the website builder, Website Tonight, and all of those different programs that claim build it tonight, and you have build it today and you've got traffic tonight. Well, it's true, the build it today part. The traffic tonight is not. Because what happens is those templated websites, the mechanism that makes those so easy to build a website with, the drag and drop and move things around and add the colors and the widgets and the different this and that. And while that does a great job in designing a site, it creates a huge burden on the search engines to be able to index your website. And as a result, Google doesn't like a lot of those types of sites. They find them code heavy, and they don't index those well. Frankly, they look at it and they go, well, somebody's built this on a free platform, a free Wix account. And if they're a serious business, they're not going to use that platform to build their website. So guess what? We're not going to give them a very good ranking, if any. So before you jump into that quick and easy build it yourself website, you might want to look at some other options that are out there. And yeah, it might take a little bit of investment, but it's your business. And if you're not investing any money in your business and you're trying to do it on the cheap, you're going to have a hard time succeeding anyway. What I recommend and what I've been using for the last 12 years or so is WordPress. I use a self-hosted WordPress. So I get a domain, I go buy the domain at GoDaddy or someplace like that. I set up hosting at a different account, not GoDaddy. I don't use them, but I have my own hosting account. I plug in WordPress and I can build the website there. Google likes WordPress. It's very effective. It has tons of functional properties in there, functional programs that you can use to build your website and to make it do the things you want, whether it be e-commerce, photo galleries, email subscriptions, security programs, anything you need, it's right there available. And most of it's free. So yes, it does have a little more learning curve than the free drag and drop sites, but your website is going to perform much, much better in the search engines. If you're interested and you got questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help and give you some more tips. So I'm Gary Wagnon, 800 Biz Ninja Marketing and the Ninja Marketing Dojo, and I hope to see you on the next video.